We will continue with our out of box thinking in ancient wisdom episode. Today's episode deals with Tenali Ram and his out of box thinking. Tenali Ram was in the Rajya Sabha of King Krishna Dev Rai. In the same Sabha, there was a Acharya by the name Tathagatacharya. He was an extremely conservative, traditional Pandit. And one of his irritating behavior or humiliating behavior was that whenever he would come across any Vaishnava, he would put a cloth or he would cover his face with a cloth. And this was extremely humiliating to the other person as well as very irritating or very awkward for the other people in the Rajya Sabha. But Tathagatacharya was a very senior Pandit and nobody could dare to take up this subject with him. Tenali Ram had no qualms. He kept on pestering Tathagatacharya for the reason for this peculiar behavior. And Tathagatacharya said that it is papa to see the face of a Vaishnava. But Tenali Ram wouldn't stop. He asked Tathagatacharya, so what would happen? What would happen if you see the face of a Vaishnava? And Tathagatacharya replied, if I see a face of a Vaishnava, I will get transformed into a donkey in my next birth, or my next birth would that be of a donkey. Tenali Ram had got his answer. A few days after this incident, Tenali Ram, the King Krishna Deva Rai and Tathagatacharya were going someplace. On the road, from the front side came a kumbhar, a potter. He had 3 or 4 donkeys with him. The potters used donkeys to carry heavy loads of soil. Immediately, Tenali Ram stopped the interchange, jumped down from his ratha, went to the kumbhar and bowed Sashtang Namaskar to each of the donkeys very respectfully. And everybody was watching what Tenali Ram was doing. On the main road, this Gyani Pandit is doing Sashtang Namaskar to 3 donkeys. Having done that, Tenali Ram came back to Krishna Dev Rai and waited till the Kumar or the potter passed by. Krishna Dev Rai was eagerly waiting for Tenali Ram. He wanted an explanation of Tenali Ram's behavior. And guess what? Tenali Ram told him, O king, these were the grandfather, grand-grandfather and grand-grandfather of Tathagatacharya. I recognize them and out of my respect for them, I bowed to them. Tathagatacharya boomed, what do you mean? Even king was perplexed. Then Tenali Ram explained, Tathagatacharya is great knowledgeable Rishi. He always hides his face when a Vaishnava goes by. So I had asked him for an explanation. And the explanation given by Tathagatacharya was that if you see a face of a Vaishnava, you will turn into a donkey in the next birth. And these 3 in earlier birth were Tathagatacharya's forefathers who made the papa of seeing the face of a Vaishnava. Tathagatacharya was dumbfounded, but he realized his mistake. he realized the parochialness of his thinking, and he immediately accepted Tenali Raman as his guru. And from that day on, Tathagatacharya did not hide his face in front of anybody. So, see, this is a vexing problem that was there, a problem apparently did not have a solution. Nobody could have knowledge more than Tathagatacharya. Nobody could argue logically with him in this case. And that is why this out of box thinking was necessary to make him see the fallacy of his logic or fallacy of his argument. And this same thing in management terms is called as the fallacy of extending the argument. So, the argument is extended to such an extent or such a place that the fallacy of the argument becomes evident to everybody who is around. And this is the ancient wisdom and the out of box thinking of Tenali Raman.